Black Friday is here and I have a list of services and products that I highly recommend. I've used all of these and I've also tested them. So definitely I highly recommend each and every one of them. All right, so let's not waste a lot of time and start off with Divi 5. So Divi 5 is a fantastic page builder. I started using it this year when it was in alpha, and they have improved a lot. There's a lot of features that have been added, and I've actually created a video review covering pretty much everything that you need in order for you to decide whether this is actually a good idea for you to go for Divi or not. And a lot of these softwares that I'm talking about here, or services, they also come with a bonus. So if you purchase the highest level, please let me know, contact me directly, and I will give you some amazing bonuses. Okay, because I take this as you helping me out and also supporting me, and definitely I want to give something back in return. So that's Divi for you. Next, this is a hosting company called Hostinger. Now, Hostinger is a fantastic platform. I've been playing around with it, and this is going to be the hosting service that I'm going to be using moving forward. All the examples that I'll be doing, I mean, I have a lot of content that I've laid out, which is going to be releasing in a couple of days. It's pretty much the workflow of how you get a website up and running. Now, this is very, very affordable. You can see here, this is $1.95 per month. I mean, come on. This is a very professional company, and it is very, very affordable. So if you are getting your hands, dirty with hosting, this is a professional platform which has great support, and the UI as well. It's going to be very easy for you to find your way around. So, the links to all this is in the video description below. And as you can see here, they have a Black Friday sale, 85% off. So I highly recommend you go ahead and take this on, because this is a great deal. Look at all the Trustpilot reviews. 57,000. This is amazing. So go ahead. The link to that is in the video description below. Next, this is also a hosting platform. Now, you may be saying, but Mac, why are you suggesting two hosting companies here? Well, here's the thing. When it comes to hosting, there's two ways you can take this. If you're building, websites that don't get a lot of traffic, then I would highly recommend Hostinger. But it doesn't mean that, of course, it doesn't take a lot of traffic. But my point here is there are websites that take a lot of resources. For example, Divi University takes a lot of resources. In fact, it is so much that, we're talking about gigs of data, because this is a community website. It's also an e-commerce platform. And there's also a lot of email marketing automation happening behind the scenes. And this is the reason why when I used to use WP Engine, I had to move to a dedicated service, and in this case I moved to xCloud. But this is for really high resource websites. So again, this is a platform that I highly recommend. All right, by the way, they also have a Black Friday sale, so it's a day off, so take a quick look at that. And if you purchase, let me know, and I will give you a bonus. Moving on, FluentCart. Now, this has really got me very excited. And again, I did a review yesterday. I'll link that in the video description below. This is a fantastic platform if you want to sell anything online. And what I really like about it is it's fast. It is super fast, because one of the things that worried me was if I were to run my fully fledged e-commerce platform on my website, is it going to slow my website? But it was done very well. It is super fast, and it's also very, very easy to use. Like I said, I'll link to the video description so you can check it out. Okay, so moving on, we have Fluent Community. So if you're not aware, Divi University is a community website, and it is powered by Fluent Community. This has been working really, really, really well for me. There's a 40% discount here, and I highly recommend you get these discounts, especially from Fluent. They do really good discounts. They may seem quite pricey, but if you're a freelancer and you go for these, you will make your money back after designing just one website. And that's the idea you need to take when you when you take a look at these deals, because if you're going to just use it as a hobby, then yeah, it might be quite expensive, but use it in such a way that you are going to perhaps create websites for other clients. Okay, so moving on, we have another Fluent product. This is Fluent CRM. This is what runs Divi University. There's a lot of email marketing automation happening behind the scenes, emails being sent out and tags being applied, tags being, removed. It's just a lot. And I've also done a few videos on Fluent CRM. So you can go ahead and check it out. I mean, it's being used by so many companies. It's a very, very solid platform. I'm one of the first guys to use Fluent CRM, and I've been promoting it. I mean, it's almost 5 years now that I've been behind it, and it hasn't disappointed me. Okay, let's move on to the next product. And this product here is fantastic. It's called WP Fusion. Now, there's only 4 days to go. Now, this product, connects your CRM with your WordPress website. So if you, let's say, have ConvertKit, or you have, any of these CRMs, they actually connect very, very well with your WordPress website, and you can automate pretty much anything. Now, here are some of these examples. Lead form submission. You can create a contact. It adds a user on your membership site. It triggers enrollment, and I mean, it does a lot, and it has helped my website a lot, because sometimes I had to go in manually. As soon as there's a sale, I would go in and manually do things. But with WP Fusion, it does a fantastic job. And again, I've done a video, and there's a lot more videos coming up on how I've actually used this on my own website. All right, so let's move on to the next one, and this is a directory. If you want to create a classifieds ads directory, you definitely want to take a look at this. And again, they have a Black Friday offer, 25 hours to go. It is really, really powerful. I am going to make a series of videos to show you how all this works together. So you can see here, there's quite a lot of examples. So if I say explore demos, you can actually see, a few of the examples that you can actually implement. And this is one of those quick ways you can go in and create a directory. I mean, look at how clean this is. This is beautiful. Look at that. All your categories, and then you have all your listings. And, when you click on the listing, it also has the description here. Look at that. Isn't that cool? So this is definitely what you need to have if you want to create a listings or a directory. Okay, so moving on, we have Radius theme. So I know my channel is mainly Divi, but if you want to do anything with Elementor, this is the place to go. I mean, Radius theme has fantastic plugins. I've tested these out, and they are really, really good. I mean, look at Shop Builder. And they have a Black Friday sale as well. So you may want to grab the deal. It's 80% off, limited time offer. So Shop Builder, they have the post grid. In fact, I think I've done a video on this. It is really, really good. All their products are fantastic, and I highly, highly recommend them. Okay, so moving on, we have ZipWP. This is one of those services which, on the outset, it looks like it's not very important and not very powerful. But if you're someone that wants to create websites fast and test plugins and test different services and so on, then this is definitely the service to go with. Now, it doesn't only do that, but it also does things like building websites with AI. And that is one of the key things. I'm just logging in here so I can show you what the interface pretty much looks like. I've been using this for a very long time now, and it has made my job very, very easy. I mean, look at the websites here. So all these websites, I mean, Crafter presets, this is where I go in, I test everything, especially, things with Divi. My tutorials, I do them using this. Look at FluentCart. Now, I know it may seem like I'm using this just mainly for my tutorials, but think about it. Let's say you want to design a website for a client. You can literally design it and then send them a link, and they can see all the developments of that website just through that link. So it is very, very, very good. Okay, let's move on. And here we have MemberPress. Now, MemberPress is an all-in-one membership platform. It does pretty much everything. And as it says here, all-in-one membership plugin. And it has generated over 2.5. I mean, look at that. This is crazy. So this is supported by, I mean, this is run on so many websites for them to get this type of revenue. And there's a 70% off. I mean, this is really, really good. Again, 8 hours to go. So I highly recommend you get this. I have a very good review, and I'll be doing more tutorials on this as well. And by the way, if you purchase any of these programs, I will invite you to Divi University so that if you need any technical support, I can help you with these plugins that you're purchasing, because of course you don't want a situation where you buy something and then you're stuck with it. You don't know how it's used. So this is also what you get when you purchase Divi. I mean, when you purchase any of these products, I'm used to saying Divi. When you purchase any of these products using my affiliate link. All right, so the next one here is Easy Hotel. So this is also a plugin which allows you to create a platform for single hotel, resorts, villa, cottage, boutique resorts. So this is a booking platform. So let's take a look here. But this is mainly focused to like if you want to do anything that's pretty much like hotels and so on. Again, look at how beautiful this is. This is fantastic. So if you want to build those type of websites, this is the website to go with, and I highly, highly recommend it. I mean, it has so many features here. You can take a look at all these, all these other pages. Here's the overview, and it is beautiful. I'm sure you can agree with me that this is well made. It's also responsive. There you go. Okay, so moving on. And this is Tutor LMS. If you want to sell courses online, or you want to have a marketplace for courses where you have other tutors coming onto your website and you share a percentage, then this is the platform for you. They have a 50% discount. And again, I highly recommend you go with this. They also have a lifetime deal. I have a lifetime deal, by the way, and I have not regretted going for the lifetime deal. This is really, really amazing. Again, if you take a look here, you'd be thinking 1,300, that's a lot of money, but you can do 50 websites. Now, this type of websites, they cost at least 3,000 because this is a fully functional website. So if you position yourself very well and you market yourself very well, you can make your money back with one website. And in the meantime, whatever website you design after this is pretty much profit. So that's how you need to look at this if you are going to be designing websites with these platforms. Next, we have Fluent Forms. Fluent Forms. Again, this is one of those Fluent products. I've used this for a very, very long time. It has a lot of features. It has conversational forms. And again, this is 40% off. So I, again, highly recommend you go ahead and grab this. Again, they have a lifetime deal here. This is what you want to go with. Take the lifetime and you will not regret it. This is a very, very powerful form builder. It is really, really good. Okay, moving on. We also have another one. And this one here is a booking plugin. Again, from the team, from the Fluent team. It's called Fluent Booking. Again, 40% discount. This is ending very, very soon. I use this on my website as well. I've tried it. I've tested it. I've done tutorials about it. It is really, really good. I've actually created some meetings with this, and I am going to be using this on Divi University because I want to do some consultancy, and I also want to do some master classes. And this, in my opinion, is the plugin that is going to make things easy for me. Right, let's move on. If you are doing affiliate marketing and you want to track all your links, this is the #1 link shortener and tracker. It is fantastic. And they also have a deal here. This is going to expire in 7 days. I have the pro version. I've been using this, and this is how I do affiliate marketing. So when you have a link called Divi University /Divi or Divi University /Fluent Forms, that is how I shorten it with ClickWhale, because their affiliate link that you get from these companies is quite long and very difficult to memorize. And if you're doing ads on YouTube, again, they don't like that URL. So you want to create your own that is custom, that is also working along your domain name as well. So that works really, really well. So I highly recommend that as well. Okay, moving on, we have HelpGent. If you want to take your supports, your website support to the next level, then HelpGent is the one. This is a really powerful platform, and it also does some videos. It also does voice messaging. You can see here, these are the features. You can even record your screen. I mean, it does a lot. It also does text messages. I am actually going to do a video highlighting all its features. And again, like I said, I highly, highly, highly recommend this. There's a 55% discount. So again, I would say go for it. Right, Presto Player. They have a 40% off. If you want to create any videos on WordPress, I mean, just take a look at their demo here. It starts playing before you actually see anything. And this could be a good thing because it just gives people an idea of what's in the video before they actually start playing it, rather than just getting a simple thumbnail. I mean, that's not very exciting. And this is hands down the best video player for WordPress. I mean, I've been using this for many, many years now, and it's a solid, solid product. I highly recommend it, and I would say go ahead and purchase that as well. Okay. SureMembers. If you want to create a membership website which is very lightweight, very, very lightweight, this is fantastic. This is a fully fledged membership plugin, and it does a really, really, really good job. I mean, it's amazing how lightweight it is, because before, these membership websites used to be they'll make your website lag a lot. But when SureMembers came through, it was really, really good. Now, there's also WP Funnels. I mean, I almost forgot this. WP Funnels is also a fantastic software that you can use to build funnels. You know, like how ClickFunnels works? This will pretty much do the same job as ClickFunnels, but even better. I mean, just look at the UI here. You can just map out everything like this. It's very, very clean. It's very, very visual, and it works with WooCommerce. So it just turns your website into a funnel. You can do order bumps here. You can see here you have your order bumps. It's well designed. It looks very, very nice. One-click upsells as well. So you can set all these up in your dashboard here. You have split testing, email automation. You can use their native one, or you can link this up with Fluent CRM as well. Okay, you have abandoned cart recovery, advanced analytics. I mean, it is a well-designed software. Now, I know I may have left out a few products here and there. I mean, there's a lot that I highly recommend here. So what I'm going to do is, in the next few days, I am going to do a lot of videos just to give you an idea of what these services are before you actually purchase them. And I'll also add links to my reviews of these products. So go ahead, and like I said before, if you purchase any of these products, drop me an email, mac@creativeastro.com, and I will give you a personal bonus, because I highly appreciate it if you could do that for me. Thank you very much for watching, and don't lose out on these offers. Until next time, thanks for watching. I'll see you again in the next one. Take care.